Hi, I'm back. So, today is what we're going to be doing is we're going to be watching the first ever art tutorial. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so we are joined by the one and only Joey. So, let's watch it.
Hello, this is Joey. I'm going to be showing you a quick little tutorial on drawing an eye. You can just start with a boxed out shape, so let's say like this. Alright, and now let's go ahead and start to draw in the detail. Let's say this would be the start of the eye. Side, the pupil, and there's usually a glare, and there's also a little thin line underneath the eye where the eyelashes for start. There's a little bit of a shade right there. Start to add some detail for the eye. That looked too good. So that's it, you can start to add the eyelashes fairly easy. And there goes your basic eye.
Okay. So that is it for the first ever art tutorial. So, unfortunately, we are not going to be burning a stick. We are just going to be using a tiny pencil. So, let me just bring my paper over. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So, we're just going to follow what Joey says. Okay. It was made 14 years ago. So that sounds pretty fun. Okay. Hey you guys, I'm Joey, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so he has a stick. Okay. Let's turn it up. A line. Did you just sneeze? Okay, drawing the detail. Okay, slow down, Joey. Joey, slow down. Whoa, dude. Okay, I need drawing boxes over here doing the detail. Okay, so you have that. Oh my gosh. And then you come over. Okay. Okay, now what? Okay, then Joey comes down. And then on the bottom. Okay, alrighty. Oh, burn the stick again. I mean, I just don't think that's smart. Your stick is on fire and then you're putting it on paper. Oh my gosh, what the? Okay. Okay, I mean, it isn't that bad. I mean, it gets the job done. But still, I mean, I know this was 14 years ago. Okay, then he's bringing it down. Yeah, they don't look that bad. But, I mean, still. Okay. You're bringing this down. I'm really confused. Oh, straight in with the fire. Okay. Okay, that's it. And eyelash. So that was simply 2 minutes and 11 seconds. So, okay, pretty simple. There's the eye. Yeah, wonder what, let's see if Joey has posted any more videos that we can look at. Okay, so we have the last video Joey posted. Get my computer out. Okay, it was, okay, videos, female, time lapse. That was 13 years ago. It's 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay, showing us a picture. Oh, it's time lapsed. Okay. Okay. So he's basically just drawing a female body. But yeah, if I had to make any changes to this, I mean, when I draw a face here, I'm just gonna use this washi tape as like a circle thing, because I'm not the best at making perfect circles. Okay, there's that. Sorry, Joey's still playing up here. Okay, so I mean, let me get this basic face shape. So it's not much different. I mean, it's just how you would draw your normal face, or how I would draw my normal face, and then you go your eyes, basically the same thing. I literally just go boom, boom, boom. Yeah, but then, yeah, I guess it's kind of similar on how I draw mine. More, okay, so I guess I draw more cartoony-ish, because I mean, just act like that's a normal head. Just going fast. There's my basic shape. Okay, let's start off with boom. Boom. So yeah, there's my basic shape. Don't really need that right now. I mean, the tutorial was about 2 minutes. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.